Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting the original, open the image and duplicate the background layer, then convert that duplicate to a smart object so changes remain editable. Once done, choose the rectangular marquee and draw the exact area you want to keep, avoiding unwanted edges. Make a layer mask from the selection. This hides edges without deleting pixels. You do this because masks let you tweak the removal later, which is faster and safer than destructive cropping or erasing. With the mask active, refine the transition so the removed edges look intentional. Open the Properties panel and apply a subtle feather, start around 0. 5 to 20 px depending on resolution, to avoid harsh lines. Next, grab a soft round brush at low opacity and paint black to hide or white to reveal tiny edge details. If you need higher precision, click Select and Mask to fine-tune edge detection and output back to the current layer mask. That keeps your removal clean and reversible. To finish, make any canvas adjustments with image trim or canvas size so the document bounds match the masked composition. If removing edges expose transparent areas you want filled, place a new layer beneath and use content-aware fill or paint a background color to match. If you see halos or hard fringes, make sure the mask is selected and either increase feather slightly or refine the mask by painting with a soft brush. That will eliminate artifacts while keeping the edit non-destructive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.